This coffee is perfect for our conversation today. It really is. And honestly, I'm so excited about today's topic.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Daily Talk, the place where you can learn English through natural conversations about everyday life.
Exactly. No difficult grammar lessons, no confusing vocabulary, just easy, real English that people actually use every day.
And today's topic is something super important, how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, because when you meet someone new, this is usually the first thing they ask. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do?
And a lot of people suddenly get nervous like, my name is,
Yes, exactly. So today, we're going to help you introduce yourself confidently, step by step, in a very simple way.
Okay, Kelly, let's imagine we're meeting for the first time. I'll be me and you be you.
Sounds good.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Kelly. What's your name?
I'm Johnny. Nice to meet you, Kelly.
Nice to meet you too, Johnny. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the UK, from London, actually.
Oh, London. That's such a beautiful city.
Yeah, beautiful, but also very rainy. You always need an umbrella there.
That's true. You can never trust the weather.
Okay, let's stop here for a moment, everyone listening. Notice how simple that conversation was.
Exactly. This is a very natural way to start talking in English.
You can say, "Hi, my name is blank. I'm from blank. Nice to meet you."
That's enough to begin a friendly conversation.
And remember, you don't need complicated words. Just speak clearly and naturally.
So, Kelly, where do you live now?
I live in Toronto. It's a large city in Canada. It's busy, but the people are very friendly.
Toronto sounds amazing. I live in a small town near London. It's quiet, peaceful, and honestly sometimes a little boring.
Really?
Yeah, but I like it because there are lots of parks and it's relaxing.
That actually sounds nice.
So, listeners, this is a great way to describe where you live.
You can say, I live in a big city. I live in a small town. It's quiet, busy, clean, beautiful, noisy.
And after that, you can explain what you like or dislike about it.
For example, I like my city because the food is great, or I don't like it because there's too much traffic.
Yes, simple sentences are perfectly fine. Real English is usually simple.
Okay, Johnny, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. No surprise there. And you, Kelly?
I'm a content creator. I make videos for YouTube.
That's really cool.
So when you talk about your job, you can say things like, I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I work in a restaurant, I'm a driver.
Or if you're not working right now, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm not working at the moment.
And that's completely okay. Everyone has a different journey.
Exactly. And you can also talk about your future dreams.
I want to be a doctor. I want to become a singer. I want to start my own business.
Or maybe, like many people these days, I want to be a YouTuber.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, Kelly, what do you usually do in your free time?
I really enjoy cooking because it helps me relax.
Oh, nice. What kind of food do you cook?
Mostly pasta because it's easy and hard to ruin.
Fair enough. I enjoy reading books and watching movies, and sometimes I like drawing too.
Wow, you're creative.
Thanks.
So, everyone listening, here's how you can talk about hobbies.
I like reading. I love music. I enjoy playing football. I don't really like cooking.
Yes, and remember words like, love, and enjoy are very useful when talking about your interests.
And don't stress too much about perfect grammar. Just focus on speaking slowly and confidently.
Right, confidence matters more than perfection.
Okay, Kelly, tell us a little about your family.
Sure, I have a small family. I live with my husband and my young daughter. She's 5 years old and she's always full of energy.
Ah, that's adorable.
Yeah, she talks non-stop from morning until night.
So, listeners, you can talk about family like this. I live with my parents. I have 2 brothers. I don't have any sisters.
Or if you have children, you can say, I have a son, or I have a daughter.
Yes, talking about family is a great way to connect with people.
Now let's move to personality. This part is fun.
Okay, Kelly, how would you describe yourself?
I'd say I'm calm, friendly, and maybe a little shy.
Shy? Really? You're hosting a podcast right now.
I know, but shy people can still talk a lot sometimes.
That's actually true.
Okay, listeners, here are some useful personality words. Friendly, quiet, funny, shy, hardworking, creative, kind.
And you can combine them too. For example, I'm friendly but sometimes quiet, or I'm funny when I'm comfortable around people.
Yes, that makes your English sound much more natural.
Now let's talk about dreams, because everyone loves talking about dreams.
Absolutely. Kelly, what's your biggest dream?
I want to travel the world and meet the people who watch my videos.
That's such a lovely dream. And you?
I want to create content that helps people smile while learning English at the same time.
That's wonderful.
So, listeners, you can say things like, my dream is to travel the world. I want to improve my English. I hope to live abroad someday.
And remember, your dream doesn't have to be huge. Even small dreams are important if they matter to you.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly.
My name is...
I'm from...
I live in...
I'm a student.
I like...
I have...
I'm friendly...
My dream is...
Excellent. If you practice these simple sentences every day, you'll become much more confident introducing yourself in English.
You know, Kelly, when I was learning another language, the most difficult thing wasn't vocabulary, it was having confidence to speak.
Exactly. Many people already know enough words, but they're afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, but mistakes are a normal part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes all the time.
Definitely. So don't be afraid. Speak more, smile more, and keep practicing every day.
Okay, friends, before we finish, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to introduce yourself, how to talk about where you live, your job, hobbies, and family.
How to describe your personality, and how to talk about your dreams.
That's a lot of useful English in just one episode.
Absolutely. And if you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And also, tell us in the comments, how would you introduce yourself in English? Maybe we'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep doing it the English way.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for listening. Goodbye.